Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to download or export bulk WooCommerce PDF invoice, packing slip, or delivery note. You are watching the demo. With this feature, you can streamline your order management and record keeping. Now, let's get started with us. Step 1. You need to install and activate the plugin. So, on your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugin, Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type WooCommerce PDF by addons.org. Then the plugin will show up. Click Install Now. Activate the plugin. You can see it's already activated. Step 2. Make sure you enable WooCommerce PDF invoices. After installing, you go to WooCommerce Settings, PDF Invoices, Invoice. Make sure the Invoice button is enabled. Choose the invoice template. Set the file name for the generated PDF. Select the order statuses to generate the invoices automatically. Select the WooCommerce email type where the invoice PDF should be attached, such as new order, completed order, or processing order. Save and move on to Step 3. Step 3. Download multiple invoice PDFs. You need to go to the WooCommerce Orders page. Choose the orders for which you want to download PDF invoices. Then from the Bulk Actions drop-down, choose Download PDF Invoices and click Apply. This will download PDF invoices for all selected orders. You can see here. Or you can click All Orders to export bulk PDF invoices. And Step 4. Download multiple packing slip and delivery note. Similar to invoice, you need to make sure that the packing slip and delivery note button keep enabled. Then you navigate to WooCommerce Orders page. Choose the orders for which you want to export packing slip. Then from the Bulk Actions drop-down, choose Download Packing Slip and click Apply. You can see all the file here. And for delivery note, you also choose the orders for which you want to download. Then from the Bulk Actions drop-down, choose Download Delivery Note and click Apply. The video ends here. Don't forget to follow us for more updates. Thank you so much and have a nice day.